Alright guys, what up? We're gonna be opening up this eBay package. I got it like I think 2 weeks ago. It's supposed to be an HO train and we're gonna try running it, seeing if it even runs. I got it for $20, so nope. No promises. Supposed to be a Santa Fe engine. Alright, here it is. It is a Santa Fe engine, and this has a lot of, I guess, could fully turn. It's a little dirty, but it's a wash and fix. I really don't know if this will work, so I guess let's just try it. If I can even get this back in. Okay, that's kind of. No, it's not. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, we got it fixed. Now, let's actually try this. Alright, let's give it something over. I don't know if this will get pounded. So. Okay, we're going to switch over to the other side and see if it works any better. Okay, we're going to switch to the right where the actual power source is. Yeah, nothing. Here, just to make sure these tracks actually are working, I'll use this Union Pacific. Okay, so it is not actually working. Let's see, is it actually moving? Oh, there it goes. Well, I guess this is turning into something else as well. Here, I'm gonna take apart these tracks real quick and see if I can get my other source adapter just right here and try it. So I should probably turn this down. Now let's try this again. Yep. It works. So let's actually try this. This truck is like not. I don't think the truck is on that sturdy, but full power, nothing. So that's just great. Fuck. I'm probably just gonna try taking this out, or try buying another motor and putting it in this out, you know. Or I could probably just make this a dummy because I already have another one. I have another sensor, so. Yeah. That's the end of this video. Like, subscribe. I don't know.